Hey guys, welcome to a new video where I'm going to show you the new application that I am currently building for not only my CMA members, but basically anyone that needs a reservation, a restaurant reservation application. And this basically has been brought to life upon the many requests that I received for an easy to use interface where restaurants can just book simple reservations, manage them, and have a good overview of the availability per seat, per time slot, and so on. So that is exactly what I have been building the last few weeks. And if we take a look at the results, I think it's looking really good. Might have some additional CSS styling along the way, but all the functionality is already there. First of all, you can use this as a standalone application. And later this week, I will also add API endpoints, meaning that you can connect it from any kind of software platform by using and calling those API endpoints. So you could use them to dynamically create and book reservations, update reservations from your chatbots even, right? So that is something that can also be done. First of all, the first section will be to add your restaurant. If we're going to take a look, then you can just fill in all the credentials. As you can see here, you can upload your restaurant logo and you will also have your availability. We divided it into 3 different sections of the day, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you can adjust the available days, the available seats that you have for each section, along with the opening times, closing times, and time interval. Now the time interval will basically be the duration of a reservation. So you can take an average reservation for your own restaurant or that of your clients, let's say 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And then you can just fill that in here. So either 45, 60, maybe 120 for 2 hours, right? That is something that you can do. Once you have done this, you can press submit and then it will come up to a similar overview like this. So you have your restaurant name, your email, image, all the restaurant details. And you can also edit all of the data, really simple, by just going and pressing edit, and then you can adjust everything. Once you've done that, you can go towards the reservations. And I started with the screen, but basically this is a restaurant list. So if you have multiple restaurants, you will see it from left to right, and you can check the availability. So for a restaurant client, or for you as a restaurant owner or manager, it's really easy to see in an instant, okay, where do I have the availability and where can I schedule something, right? Once checking closely for detailed availability, you will see all the different kinds of time slots. So this is for Monday, for today. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can see that we have a more detailed overview. So we see the breakfast, lunch, dinner times. We have the time interval, available seats left, because I already did a few test reservations, and this has now been set to just 41 available seats left. But it is really easy. We can press anywhere we want. So if we say, okay, I want to go for a lunch date tomorrow, we can press it, and then from here we can fill in all the data. So let's say Mark, let's go with an email, let's go with a phone number, and then we will go towards the available time slots. And as you can see here, I have available time slots in an interval for 45 minutes because as you might know, right, and might have seen, the time interval set for lunch, I set it to 45 minutes. If I go with a dinner, then you will see that the time slots will go based on the hour. So that's a nice dynamic adjustment as well. But you can do anything, right? So you can say, okay, Mark, let's fill in some data. There we go. And then the phone number. And we can also say number of seats. So as you can see right now on the dinner side of things, available seats is 45. Let's say I'm going to be needing 9 seats because it's going to be a family dinner. Let's say confirm reservation. And then I do need to also pick a time slot. So let's go with a time slot, confirm the reservation. And now you will see it at the bottom, Tuesday, 15th October. And you can also edit the information. As you can see, you can adjust it and so on. If I go back towards the reservations and check the availability, you will now see that the 45 available seats have also been deducted, right? So it's a real-time updating of the system and available seats. So if you have multiple reservations going at the same time, it will pick the most real-time number based on the available seats then. So as mentioned, this is the web application that can be used as a standalone function. This will be made available for non-CMA members as well. Later this week, I will try to open up the beta for limited spots. I'm thinking about 15 to 20 spots. And I'm also doing an LTD for those beta users. Anything outside the beta will go with a small monthly subscription. It will not be that big and high of a price compared to other platforms. I try to make it affordable for everyone. So I'm thinking about maybe $9.97 a month, something along those lines. But that allows you to have a really effective restaurant reservation system that you can use as a standalone web application where you can simply log in or use the API endpoints to build it within any kind of third-party platform like your CRM, like inside of chatbots, and so on. If you have any questions, do let me know. If you're interested in joining the beta, do drop a comment down below this video so I can notify you as soon as the beta goes live. And for now, I just want to wish you a great day, and I'll talk to you really, really soon.